Get ready for this ultimate showdown in this hands-on unboxing of the awesome ROG Phone 3. The upgraded radioactive cooler delivers more airflow. Next up is the newly designed Aero case. ROG Phone 3 is a complete package with ROG stickers. The ROG Hypercharge adapter and an braided USB-C cable, and also an audio dongle all in the box. Now it's time to meet our ROG Phone 3, the world's most powerful gaming smartphone. Check out the new Air Trigger 3 enhanced Game Cool 3 cooling system and the triple cameras. It's time to start our journey. When you first turn your phone on, you'll be invited to join a mission. It is the infamous ROG character Horseman. He will take you into the world of ROG to crush that mission. It has a 144Hz screen with lots of refresh rate settings, newly enhanced X mode, boost system performance. On the back, you will find iconic ROG logo of RGB lighting. Tool up with the Aero case, radioactive cooler 3. With this new kickstand, sit back, relax, and enjoy the power of the mighty ROG Phone 3. If you have enjoyed the content so far, a sub to the channel would be amazing. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever I post an awesome new video.